We're going to take a quick tour through the iTempo Deluxe with the Lesson Planner Calendar module built in. This is the main menu. These are 6 big buttons that take you to different parts of the software. Anything related to the students you can find in here. You don't have to go into one of these others to find them. If it has to do with the students' performances, you'll find them there. They're here also, but you can find them from the students' record. So let's go right into the students' record. This is Douglas Adams. Every student has 5 tabs, and right now we're in this general tab, the parent-spouse information, where you put the student's name, their date of birth, calculates their age and keeps it current for you, and the parent's information, the communications data, and there are other fields down here below. I've got this blown up so we have to scroll a little bit to see everything. If you want to see what the student has studied in the past, you'd go to Classes Completed, and it shows that information there. Events has to do with performances. It shows where the students performed and the category and the level. And if he did it for rating, it would show the rating also. To find out what he actually played in any one of these, you would click on the blue triangle, and it shows you actually what he played. It shows here, and I'll blow this up so we can see it better. He played Lightly Row and Minuet 1. I'm going to click on the back button. iTempo has a back and forward button all throughout the program, so it keeps you from getting lost. Current enrollment tab is exactly what it says, what the student is currently studying. He can be enrolled in more than one subject or class. You can create classes even for your private lessons. You can call it Monday Students, or if it's a certain program that you're studying, such as teaching, such as Suzuki, you can enroll the student in the level in which he's studying. That puts him automatically on an attendance sheet. So we'll go into this one. It says there's 6 enrolled. So we'll click over here on the 10 sheet. And blowing this up some, here are your 6 students, and you can mark the enrollment right here. You can even have iTempo create the dates that you're going to teach just by clicking here and giving iTempo the beginning date, telling iTempo whether it's going to be a weekly lesson or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever, and iTempo will calculate the dates for you. Saves hours of work and also avoids errors. I'm going to use the back button again. We're back to Douglas Adams, and we have one other tab here. This is Invoices and Payments. This will take you to the parent's record because finances are kept by family, so that if you create an invoice, you can put all the siblings on the same invoice. It's very easy to create an invoice. Let's just go to one. I'll click on this first one here, and we'll blow this up too. When you come to the invoice, you have a field here that shows the siblings for that family. You choose the one that you want to create the bill for. When you do that, it shows what that student's enrolled in and the teacher, and then gives you the fees related to that class. So we'll just say that Douglas owes the annual fee of $780. Then when he pays you the $780, you come back to this invoice and you enter it here. Click to add payment. About the only thing you're going to have to add is the check number. If it's by a check, we'll just enter something, and we'll click over here on the button that says continue, and that takes care of the payment. At any time when you're ready to take your checks to the bank and deposit them, you come up here to this button here, and you click on create a bank deposit. Tell it to go. It asks for the date. You could change the date. You could change the account that you're going to deposit into, and it tells you to choose all the payments that you want to deposit this time. We'll just tell it to choose them all, and we'll click on continue, and here's your deposit slip. It adds it all up for you. It puts your studio name, your account number, does all the math for you, and when you print it out, although I'm not going to print it, I'm going to cancel. It asks, did it print correctly? And if you say yes, it will take that information and save it in a separate file, because that's such a valuable information. I'll say no, so these payments are still ready to be deposited. Okay, that's a quick overview of what the students do, and I'm going to stop right now. We may have some other information to give you in a different video.